Hello and welcome back to our channel. This is Val, and on today's video I'm gonna prank my husband. I'm gonna tell him that I'm gonna be making like this Greek spiral pie. This is this is pretty much like a ready-made processed pie. And one thing about my husband, he doesn't really like anything like preservative, like something that you can just heat up and eat, especially if it's like bought in the store. You know, we both enjoy homemade food, so yeah, it's gonna be a shock for him. What's that shit? Is it the pie or mixed pie? I don't care how big you can. No, I'm gonna make this.
What I'm gonna eat with?
I don't feel like cooking.
You killed me, Blair.
Greek spiral pie
What I'm gonna eat
with olive oil.
is it sweet?
It's like a pie. You put it like an olive oil and you eat.
How long is it gonna take?
For what? For the pie?
Yeah.
Like in 6 minutes it should be done.
Alright, so
It takes 6 minutes for it to finish.
Okay, if I don't
to be
like
done.
I'm gonna order another person's.
Quédate ahí, te puedes quedar ahí. Okay. Sí, pero sí, pues. So yeah, I'm cooking today. I'm making Chana Masala.
Finally. After 3 days, you've been telling me that you're gonna make it. Finally, I'm getting the Chana Masala. Thank you, Papa. A shoe shop on the road. Our job is to chop the onion.
I chopped everything, right? You guys saw me.
It's my turn.
Chapati.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First bite
Bismillah.
of Chana Masala. God bless your hand over there. Got fucking tears in your hand. That's it.
It's so good. It's really, really good. So try this at home. It's easy, fast meal to make.
If you like it, like, share, and subscribe. Let me just finish the meal. See you next video.
We'll see you in the next video. Peace.